up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I've got some pretty cool stuff to show you today. I've been talking to this company out of Australia known as DAEWORKS. They make some really cool, I guess, vinyl overlays for your cluster. If you have a is300 or an Alteza, he's actually starting to go for other chassis as well. But yeah, we got some stuff. So I figured we'd open it on camera because this is the first time I've seen it also. Shout out DAEWORKS. Yeet. That didn't really work very well. Oh yeah, it did work very well. Sweet. Let's see what we got. Whoa. Ooh. That's fancy. I'm excited to put this on, dude. This is awesome. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Oh, wait, we got more. Yeah, boy. Yo. Day, bro. Right here. DAEWORKS. I'm gonna put their Instagram. I actually put a screenshot in here. And then I will put a link to their Instagram in the description. DAEWORKS, yo. This shit is awesome, dude. Super stoked to go put this on. I think I'm actually gonna go do it today, so it'll probably be in this video. I'm not entirely sure what this says. I'm gonna have to ask. But yeah. Sick. Alright guys, so for starters, you've got to take this out to be able to remove the cluster. To make it easier for myself, I'm going to remove the steering wheel first. I'm probably going to put my steering wheel back on crooked. Oh well. There she is. Now there's a couple screws you got to remove. There's one here, and then there's one down below where your key goes into the ignition. So let's remove those. Now this should just pop out, like that. There's a plug back here you gotta take out. See if I can do it without breaking it. There we go. I'm gonna tilt the steering wheel down. Give myself a little more room to get this out of here. And there we go, we got it out. Now there's 3 more screws, here, here, and here. I don't know how well you can see this, but you gotta take those out also. Seems to pull out pretty easily. And there's a couple connectors back behind it. So once you get it out, there's one. And 2. So there we go. She's out. So the pin did come off with the fork, which is kind of funny. And then there's 2 screws on the back of your cluster. One down here, one up at the top. You remove those, and then you can slowly and carefully pry out the center gauge. Online, they say you want to take out this little pin also, but I think I'm going to try to do it without it, because in order to do that, I don't know if you can see in there, but you almost have to actually carve away at the back of it so it can pull out. I don't really want to do all that, so I'm going to try to stick it on without doing that. So we'll see if that's even possible here in a second. So, there you have it. This side's on, that side's on, center's on. You actually do have to take this pin off, so I'm sorry for saying you don't have to. I mean, I was testing to see if I could do without it or not. But the hole that's in this vinyl is smaller than this, so it wouldn't fit over that. But what I actually did is I took a piece of the this stuff, the clear backing, and I actually shoved it over this hole when I shoved this back in, so it keeps it in place, because you actually have to break the tabs off the back side of this pin. But with using that little piece of vinyl, it's in there pretty good. So now all we got to do is put back on the actual dial and put everything back together. So I will do that. All right, guys, so I got it all back together. Everything pretty much just pops back together once you put those screws back in the back. So I'm gonna put it in the car, get it all back together, and then I'll show you guys how it looks. That looks freaking sick. It looks better in person than it does on video, I'll put it that way. So I know this install probably wasn't the greatest install ever, but I hope it helps you. If you have any questions, hit me up. And also go check out DAEWORKS on Instagram and get you a sick overlay for your cluster. But yeah, on another note, car's still sitting here, torn apart. Still haven't fixed these axles or gotten new ones, but that'll be coming soon, and get her back on the road. And then, yeah, lots of different things coming in the next while for this car. I'm really excited for the things that are coming. So on that note, we will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Later.